Are you an industrial company that wants better results from your marketing? Have you tried other marketing agencies only to find out they just don't understand your engineering and technical audience? You've come to the right place if you said yes to both. Tiecas is an industrial marketing agency and consultancy in Houston, Texas. We've been helping manufacturers and other industrial companies with their marketing since 1987. So what makes us different? Two things. One, I'm a mechanical engineer and then I did my MBA in marketing. This is a combination that's not easy to find in other marketing agencies, which is why I call myself a marketing engineer. Second, we focus 100% on the industrial sector, which means all our clients are manufacturers, distributors, or engineering companies. This sole focus on the industrial sector and my engineering background are what set us apart from other traditional marketing agencies. We believe in prioritizing strategy over implementing hit or miss tactics. This way, you get a clear roadmap to success with your industrial marketing. So what does all this mean to you? It means we don't learn industrial marketing at your expense. So if you're looking for an industrial marketing agency that understands your technical business and has the experience and the expertise to deliver results like we've been doing for over 35 years now, choose Tiecas.